Useful English words.
Lesson 1.
Accomplished.
Accomplished.
Very skilled or successful at something.
She has accomplished great success in mastering English.
Absorb.
Absorb.
To take in or draw up.
Don't adsorb all things in the book as it is. Read with caution.
Abridge.
Abridge.
To shorten.
This novel is too long. I want to read the Abridge version.
Adequate.
Adequate.
Enough, for required purpose.
This book is adequate for kids because it is easy to learn from it.
Abbreviate.
Abbreviate.
To cut short.
Don't speak too long. Make it simple. Abbreviate your sentence.
Effect.
Affect.
To produce a change in, to move the emotions of someone.
What you do right now affect your future.
Adept.
Adept.
Very skilled at something.
You are adept in spoken English. You can speak English very well.
Amiable.
Amiable.
Friendly, agreeable.
My brother is amiable. That is why he has many friends.
Actually.
Actually,
To be truly in existence.
human is actually a social being. But some people are solitary.
Agree.
Agree.
To share the same views or feelings.
You certainly agree that to succeed, you should work hard.
Access.
Access.
To be able to reach, approach, or enter, gain admission to.
Do you have access to the city library?
Allocate.
Allocate.
To set aside, a resource, for a particular aim.
Allocate most of your time to get the highest value tasks done.
Accept.
Accept.
To receive with pleasure, to agree.
I accept your help with sincere gratitude.
Accent.
Accent.
To emphasize.
She speaks English with Singaporean accent, which is popular as Singlish.
Abstract.
Abstract.
Difficult to understand.
Please talk clearly. Don't talk using abstract language.
Advice.
Advice.
Words, offered as a guide, to action.
Would you give me an advice about how to master the English language quickly and easily?
Amorous.
Amorous.
Feeling loving, especially in a romantic sense.
Walking with a special someone in beautiful places create amorous affection.
According.
According.
As indicated, or stated by.
What is this all about, according to you?
Abundant.
Abundant.
Possessing a lot of something, often more than is needed.
Foods are available in abundance during the harvest time.
Accumulate.
Accumulate.
To gather or collect.
You can accumulate English words by reading great books.
Ability.
Ability.
The power to do something, skill or competence in a field.
Your ability to get the highest value tasks done is the key to your success.
Additional.
Additional.
More than what is necessary.
This is an additional learning material. You are free to learn it, or not.
Ambivalent.
Ambivalent.
undecided, having opposing feelings simultaneously.
Please decide clearly and firmly. Don't be ambivalent about what matter most to you.
Activity.
Activity.
The state of doing something.
Tell me about your daily activities. What do you usually do in the morning?
Accurate.
Accurate.
Free from error or defect, consistent with a standard, rule, or model, precise, exact.
This clock is always accurate. It calibrates with the world time through the internet.
Acute.
Acute.
Sharp, shrewd, discerning.
You have an acute sense about how to teach English in interesting ways.
Address.
Address.
To speak to someone directly, in a formal way.
The general manager addresses to shareholders about the new business strategy.
Adapt.
Adapt.
To change according to conditions or requirements.
Thriving company can adapt well to the changing business circumstances.
Advantages.
Advantages.
Circumstances or traits that lead to success or a desirable outcome.
What are the advantages of mastering English? There are so many advantages. Mastering English can open up many business opportunities.
Advanced.
Advanced.
Ahead of others, in progress, or sophistication.
Now, you've achieved the advanced level in English. Congratulations.
Amateur.
Amateur.
One who is new or unskilled at something.
You may start as an amateur, but when you consistently upgrading your skills, you can become a professional.
Alternative.
Alternative.
Another choice.
Please consider the alternative before you make up your mind about it.
Aggressive.
Aggressive.
Confrontational, assertive.
Be aggressive in pursuing your highest value goals.
Achieve.
Achieve.
To accomplish something.
What can you achieve within a year?
Advise.
Advise.
To recommend, as a course of action.
The teacher advised the students to learn it again at home.
Ambiguous.
Ambiguous.
Open to, or having several possible meanings or interpretations, of doubtful or uncertain nature, difficult to comprehend, distinguish, or classify.
Don't be ambiguous about the matter. Explain it clearly, not vaguely.
Accessible.
Accessible.
Easy to approach or enter.
The city library is accessible for the public.
Adhere.
Adhere.
To follow the practices of, to believe in.
Please adhere to the rules and tradition of this country when you are here.
Absent.
Absent.
Not in a certain place at a given time.
If you are absent in this crucial meeting, your career will soon end.
Annoyed.
Annoyed.
Disturbed or bothered.
The loud noise annoyed the students.
Annual.
Annual.
Occurring or returning once a year.
The magazine subscription is paid annually.
Anomaly.
Anomaly.
An unusual occurrence, an irregularity or deviation.
The anomaly of water is that, at the degree below 4 Celsius, it increase in volume and decrease in density.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
An unknown or withheld name.
The real author of this controversial book is unknown. because it is anonymous.
Anthropology.
Anthropology.
The study of human society.
To learn about the human being, past and present, you need to study anthropology.
Anticipate.
Anticipate.
To expect or predict.
Christmas time is very much anticipated time of the year.
Appeal.
Appeal.
To be attractive or pleasing.
The beauty of Bali appeals to many tourists from around the world.
Appealing.
Appealing.
Attractive.
Combination of red and green is the most appealing color during the Christmas time.
Applied.
Applied.
To put to use or assign.
Applied science is much more interesting than pure science.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
To value, or be grateful for.
I appreciate your help very much.
Approach.
Approach.
To come near, or closer to.
Use the best approach to solve this difficult problem.